Hey, happy Sunday, guys. Good evening. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it. Conrad, how you doing? Well, tonight we're doing something a little different. Rolling line. The model railroading simulation or software, however you want to look at it. Very, very interesting game. You can actually use this in 2D or in VR. I'm going to be in VR tonight using the HP Reverb G2. And I'm going to explore it. I have been exploring a little bit and just getting familiar with some of the capabilities and stuff, but for the most part, fairly new to it. So we're going to be checking stuff out. The goal at some point is to build my own layout. I was doing some research on it. There's actually someone on YouTube that actually used this software to build a layout of the Milwaukee Road Beer District. I guess like circa 1960 or whatever. And it's pretty amazing what they did. And actually came across another video of someone that's using this software to actually design a layout they're gonna build in real life, so they could see it working before they actually build it, which is a pretty cool application. So the developer is Gauge Punk, I believe. This game's been out for, or I should say software has been out for a couple years. 2018 I think it was released. I got turned on to it a few months ago, have checked it out on and off, and really have meant to dive deeper into it, and that's what we're going to kind of do tonight. So just go over some of the basics for those of you who've never seen it before, and you know, get indoctrinated into how to use it. Now when I'm in the headset, I'm not going to be able to see chat, so from time to time I'll check chat to see if there's questions and stuff, but So let's get into it. So you can get this on Steam. It's like 20 bucks, I think. I mean, really pretty reasonable. There's my... Turn my other controller on here. Oop. Okay. Make sure you're seeing my controllers. You seeing the controllers? Yep. Okay, good. Alright, so this is what it's all about. And to describe it, I mean, obviously it's in 3D. The landscaping stuff is, I'll tell you right off the bat, it's a little cartoonish, if you will, but still, all in all, it's in my mind, it's pretty amazing. Now, my understanding is that you can actually download other scenery that's much more detailed. I haven't really explored into that yet, so anyway, let's get into it. So let's go, okay, new game. Just say which one we want to check out. Not that one. There was one I wanted to... Top of South. Let's just check Top of South. We'll just go through these one by one here. So this is... Now, we're in the room, okay? Now, you can see there's a train going now. Obviously, you see this in 2D. I see this in absolute 3D. And it looks astounding. It really does. I mean, I could reach out and grab one of those trains if I wanted to. I don't want to do that. Now, I can pan around the room here and check out this layout. It's a massive layout. Pretty cool. This train will... I guess it'll go... Let's just follow it. So we're going to come through here. See, this room is massive. Alright, so we're going to come through here, I guess we'll go through that tunnel there, depending on whether that switches, how that switch is set. There's actually switches, so hopefully it's set properly. We'll see. Let's see where that train is. It's come through. There it is. It's coming through the tunnel now. So we can actually look over the layout like this, like it is in real life. It's pretty astonishing. So there comes that train now. As it gets closer, and the sound is definitely directional, so as I turn my head, it changes ears, which is really cool. This is some amazing layout right here. And I could probably get into this one, just spend hours on this one. So we're going to make this turn, go into that tunnel. What we're going to do is we're going to check some of the layouts out, and then I'm going to go into a basic table and just show you some of the functionality. But let's hope this makes that switch is set. Yep, looks like it is. So we're going to go through. It's going to go through the tunnel there. Now I could actually grab a controller. Oops. Where's the hell? What did I do with that controller? Okay, yeah, so you actually have a belt. So let me just... Now the controller, I wish there was a way to make the controller just stick to your hand. I guess you can't do that. So now we're going to come... Oh, this looks amazing back. Look at this. Holy crap. I haven't checked this layout yet. So now what I can do is I can point... I hit the laser, the pointer, and I point it at that. Now I'm controlling that. Now I'm controlling that train, okay? So if I want to make it go a little faster, just moving the joystick to the left or the right, and I could actually stop it right there. Bring it down to 0. Okay, and we can go backwards. Let's go backwards if we want to. This is so cool, man. It's so cool. I know it's nerdy, but I love model trains, man. Have all my life. Alright, so now... And these are layouts that actually come with it. Now, there's a switching... system right there, so if I wanted to switch all the switches that are in this particular part of the layout, I can control right there, which is actually pretty cool. So let me go over here. See, look at that electrical power station there. Just increase the speed a little bit. And I can get multiple trains running, although not really familiar with the lines yet, so I just want to kind of follow this one around here. So we'll come out of this tunnel here over at the Kukaura coast. Out of this tunnel. There we go. See if those signals light up over here. Gauge should go down. Yep, there they go. Go down a little bit late. They should probably go down a little earlier. These are the tables that have all of your scenery and trains and stuff, and I'll show you how to check that out later. So we're going to come out of this tunnel here. Let's see where it goes. All right, he's going that way. So we're going to. We could have switched them and gone over here. This whole area down here. Look at that. Oh wow, the boats are actually floating. That's pretty cool. To me, it looks like the boats are suspended in water, which is wild. So let's go over here. There's the train right there. And we're back, I guess, to where we were. And you have these controllers all along, and what you can do is you can actually, what I think is really cool, is you can actually go here and you can actually change the clock. So there's noon. So if I want to go, I guess it can only go. Now we're at nighttime, so now we're going to go. There's the morning. So now we're kind of like at dusk. The golden hour, you can see the long shadows there. Pretty amazing. Let's just go check over here. Well, we got that train going. Maybe we can get another one going here. Again, I got to figure out the lines. So yeah, so that's basically the functionality. It's pretty simple. It would be cool if you had the ability to change switches right from their controller. Maybe they're working on that. I don't know. That would be kind of cool. I mean, it's nice that they're right here, so you can basically. How do you do it? You just switch it like that. See the light changes. Okay. All right, let's see if you guys have any questions. The smoke looks like it needs some work. Yeah, it does. It's like I said, it's a little. I mean, you're looking at it in 2D, so kind of try to kind of imagine it in 3D, if you will. Check out some of these trains, man. They're pretty cool. I don't know where my engine is. Somewhere around here. There it is. Yeah, the smoke looks a little bulky. I agree with you, but I'll live with that. And most of the trains I'm probably interested in aren't coal fired anyway. So, all right, let's get over to. I like it a little brighter. It's midday. Let's go right to midday. Oh, that's cool. You can just boom, go to sunrise, sunset, midday, midnight. Let's see, advanced. You can change Halloween mode. What's that? I'm not sure what that is. You can have the weather. Oh, clouds. No clouds. Light clouds. Light rain. Let's go to light clouds. And let's go back here. Let's go midday. Let's go home. Advanced. No clouds. Set. Okay, here's something really cool you could do. So I can go. I can actually hop in the train. Check this out. Now I'm in the train. This is so bad, man. Check this out. I'm not sure how I. Oops. Oh, I can actually go on top of the train. That's pretty cool. And I can control it. I want to increase speed here. Wow, that's... I'd say this is a nice job. My understanding it's a one dev team, one guy. Did a hell of a job. Turn the headlight on. I mean, again, it's a little cartoonish. I'm going to give you that. Oh, I can hit the whistle. That's pretty cool. There's this area, that's the area on the side there, so now we're going to come out in the front of the layout. Pretty loud. There's the switches, so I can control the switches from the cabin. Get out here. Now this is one thing I forget how to get to oh, here we go. Hit the right down button to get back into the room. So let's go take a look at the table here. Oh, that's not that. Let's go over here. All right, so here's a train. So let's check this out. So there's a bunch of diesels, old-timey. Large train. It looks like larger scale. Military, box cars, different passenger trains. Pretty cool. So those are the trains you have, and then if we go to, this is some of the scenery, some of the track scenery and stuff. Actually, you can go here and you can change it to, like, here's a different track that you have. Okay. And then you can go to... oh, that's cool. I don't have to... For some reason, I'm just... It's just attached to my hand and I don't have to hold the grip key. Let me go here if we want to look at, like, structures. These are all different structures. Or, like, trees. Different trees, shrubs and stuff. And then you've got like vehicles, airplanes. Like I think you can actually like grab this airplane and just. Oh, I know there's a way to like grab an airplane and like make it fly, but you have to use the scenery editing thing to do that. So let's go here, and these are like place and open, clean up all candy. I don't know what that does. Oh, candy, whatever that is. Let's see. These are just like building blocks if you want to do your own custom stuff, I guess. Letters for signage. Let's see. What else? What am I missing? Oh, paint. If you want to paint stuff. Different colors for painting. This is... these are tables. So if you want to build your table. That's pretty cool. More controllers. Probably a switchboard. Yep, switchboard. And you can put more tables up. And let's see what else we have here. These are like fences and lumberyard, all kinds of structure. Stairs, beach chairs, all kinds of stuff. And I think they're adding all the time, all these 3D structures. Everything in 3D, so the wiring. Let's see. Oh, you can actually put your own, like, I guess your own power lines if you want to build the train structure, like electric trains. What they call? I forget what they call that. Let's see. So that, and we look at all of them. I think we did. Not sure what that is. Oh, this is just some other stuff to configure. So yeah, so a bunch of stuff there, and pretty wild. So let's take a look at some other layouts. See if you guys have any questions before we go there. Guys, thanks for joining, by the way. Hit that like button if you can. Let's see. Not much of a view. So you can't see what I see, you mean? Not sure what you mean. Yeah, it's very deep. It really does capture the vibe. I agree with you, man. Yeah, she's practicing right now. Take 6. Yeah, virtual cup of coffee. Yeah, the only thing, Greg, it's $20. So I mean, it's not like it's $100. It's $20, and sometimes you can get it on sale for Steam for $15. And it's been around since 2018. And if you go to the Steam store, you can see that he's continuously updating it. So he's dedicated to it. And you know, the way I look at it, $20 is not a lot to really worry myself about getting nervous, you know. Yeah, from the train cab, you can actually go outside the train if you want. Yeah, exactly. You can move your view. I'm just not totally familiar with all the functionality yet. So, all right, let me get back in here and we'll go check out a couple different layouts. Where's the menu? I gotta find the. It's a big room. Come on, man. How the hell do I get back? Okay, there we go. Let's see. Gameplay. Let's see. Can I just go back to? Well, let's take a look at the settings. So VR options. We're all interested in that. Player height. Well, that's a good one. Yeah, I probably want to be like a 1. Okay. Trackpad, push wagons with hands. Yes, I want to be able to push wagons with hands. Use grip locomotion. Yup. Rotation type snap is good. VR grip, controller specific. Advanced locomotion. Not sure what any of that stuff means. So I'll have to figure that out at some point. All right. VR option, PC options, graphics. So I'm pretty sure I have it. Normal, extended, post-processing options, bloom intensity, depth of field enabled. Oh, I don't like that. Blurs things. That's not good. Color correction. Oh, it's got some color correcting. That's cool. So it can fiddle with all that stuff. Resolution. Yeah, that's the... It's 14.4, so I guess that's the max I can do. And that's about it. Here, train coming somewhere. Oh, there we go. I think it's pretty cool. All right, let's go back to the main menu. Go to the main menu, and we're going to go to game. So that was Top of the South. This is Wicca Pass. Let's check out Wicca Pass. Wicca Pass, I guess. And it loads super... Oh, wow, look at this one. Holy crap. Now, this doesn't look like a... This isn't a circular... Here, let's get a... Let me go over here and get a controller. Looks like it's an unfinished train. This is something we could actually probably work on and do a little customization. It's got 2 tracks. Yeah, so we could get 2 trains going on this. Oh, we're going to run off the rail there. That's not good. Let's see what happens. Let's just to see what happens. So I wonder if it comes out over there. Wait to see. This is a very cool layout, though. Yep, here we go. Running that max speed right there. Oh, there's an airplane. Holy crap, that's cool. Alright, we'll have to figure all that out. Alright, interesting layout. We could get a second train going here. In the opposite direction, I believe. Yep, we could. Maybe we'll do that. So let's go to here. Just want to slow this guy down a little bit. And let's go to here. Let's get, do I have to actually grab it? Yep. I think I made a mistake. Oh, shit, I just dropped my controller. Oops, crap. What the hell did I do there? Oh, I could just run that one. Let's get rid of that. Where the heck was it? Right there. Was that a pass? Oh, there we go. Okay, what we can do is... let's get a controller. I tell you, it works great with the Reverb G2. All right, let's. We're going to. Let's control that train right there. Oops. Not the tender. Is there anything in this? Is there anything in the? Oops, that wasn't good. I think I crashed it. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's do this. Let's get this out of here. And then, where's my switch? I don't have switching. Okay, so I can't, I gotta do it manually. So can I go... I have to reach in there and hit that switch? I guess I want to be on the other side so I can reach it. So we want to hit this guy. And let's back her up now. And then we'll get her on the main line here. How you like those drums, guys? She's getting good. See, this is the thing. I could see myself doing this for hours. Now I want to get it on that inside track there, so let's get it to here. Absolutely 100% worth $20. No question about it in my mind. Alright, so that one's good. Now I can switch this switch back. And this switch, let's see, which way is this one going? I don't want to go to that track, I want to go to that track. So we should, if we back up, we should get to the main line here. Yep. We'll get two trains running. It's actually a song called Two Trains by Little Feat. Alright. This is fascinating. Sorry, guys, can't see chat. I'm completely immersed. All right, let's Get close here. And once we back up here, that's good. Now I can lean in. Click that switch. And now we should be running on the main line. Now here's the thing, I have to, if I want to, I want to slow that diesel down a little bit. We'll give the passenger train priority. Cool, got 2 trains running. And the one I threw away over there. I wish you could see this in 3D. For you guys who are VR that have this game, you know what I'm talking about. It's pretty cool. They really did. The guy did a great job on this. There was another. I forget what it was called. There was a small model train game you can get on Steam. It was like $8. It was okay. It was nowhere near the capability of this. This is a lot of fun, man. All right, let's. Okay, let's get in this cab. Oh, they can see a little bit better there. Now we're going to go into the black hole over here. Oh, there's the train I threw away. Oh, this is cool. Sky rail. Oh, I gotta be lower. Alright, so I'm too high. I put myself way too high. So I gotta adjust that. Right here we're coming into the little town there. That's pretty cool. Alright, back in the thing. Alright, let me go to VR options. Player height. Back to 0. Back. Uh-oh. Oh, there he is. I thought he lost his, what's the word I'm looking for? Consist. I thought he lost his consist. Pretty cool. Let's see what you guys have to say in the chat there. Can you move the view to the window when you're in the cab? Yeah, you can. I was just too high up. Yeah. Take 6. My first layout was on a ping pong table. My grandfather and I built it when I was 9 years old, HO. And it was on a ping pong table in the basement. And it basically expanded from there. All right, Conrad. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, the magazines look. Yeah, they're real. I know they're real. It's pretty wild. I had a Digitrax, my setup that I set up at home here. Oh, a couple like 10, 15 years ago. Yeah, I had Derail Valley. I actually did a video of it when it first came out. It's pretty cool. It's more real life size, right? Which is pretty cool. I like this aspect though because you can like see the layouts. You can stand in the room and see the layouts. That's what I love about this. The satisfaction of building a layout like this. That's the fun of it. Having all these materials. I remember like going to the hobby shop and like just spending so much money. And this one, this one's a work in progress, which is good because I guess you can probably tailor it to how you want to, right? All right, let's check out another layout. Let me go over here. Where the hell is my? Let's go to main menu. All right, so okay, we did Weka Pass. I never looked at this one. I'm amazed at how quickly it loads. Wow, this is cool. Holy crap. Wow, this is really cool. So here, oh, this is good. I was going to say, where's the map? So this is basically... Let me just go back here so I can... All right, let's take a look at this. So basically, Paranapiacaba. Wow, that's some layout. Holy crap. That's some layout. San Paulo. All right, let's see what we got going here. Let's grab a controller and let's get some trains going. There's got to be a few trains on here. Oh, that's cool. It's got the electrical line. Oh, and they spark. Holy crap. That is so... Look at that. They spark. What a cool detail. What a cool detail. Pantograph, is that what it's called? Pantograph? Hopefully these two won't run into each other. I have no idea if that's going to happen or not. But this is amazing. Oh, actually, I think I've seen this one before. Yes, yes. I think I looked at this a long time ago. All right, into the tunnel. Let's see what happens in the back here. Okay, this is like a staging area, I guess. Oh, that's cool. They have everything back here for a cup of coffee. Check it out. So we have two lines coming through here. I don't know where the hell that other train is. Oh, there it is. This is some layout to manage, huh? It's going up great, it looks like. Give that a little speed. Look at the detail. Holy... This thing must have taken months to build. All the detail, the overpasses and the wiring and the electrical cabling and... Wow, it's an astounding job. All the... Well, it ran all those wires, all the electrical wires along the train route for that detail. It's pretty cool. Why is he running backwards? Oh, I know what I must have done. What happened? Oh, he picked up some other trains. Okay. He picked up some other cars. Let's see what happens here. I love watching the little sparks, man. It's pretty cool. Here's the sparks. Check it out. Running water would be cool. But I'm impressed with this, with the sparks, the arcing. What happened to my other train? Don't know where it is. Huh. Lost the other train. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's following behind the same track. I think. Oh, no, I see. They all connect. All right, they were all on the same track. I see. I see. I see. All right, well, that's enough fun here. That's enough fun here. Amazing layout. This one's amazing. All right, where's our... get us back to the menu. Over here, I guess. Custom wall color. That's cool. Get rid of that. Back to main menu. In the middle of a layout here. Yeah, yes, Skidmark. Those are that's my wife practicing. Yeah. Yeah, it is a good idea to do that magazine. So he actually publishes that magazine like once a month or something. Pantograph, yes. Does he include car forwarding for moving car loads between industries? I'm not sure. Not sure. All I know is this is like this is going to be loads of fun. We checked out that one. Miami Shelf. I haven't checked that one out yet. Ooh, this is cool. So we're just going to go into. Let's just try this out. We got the graffiti on the. This one has switches, which is good. So let's just grab a. Thank you for the subscription. I guess we'll come out here. My guess is we're going to come out somewhere over there. This is more of a scenic, detail, recreate a certain area. Downtown Spur, Miami. Which wall will it come out of? There we go. Oh, boom. Oh, train wreck. All right, first train wreck. Oh well. First train wreck. All right, so back to menu here. Let's go here. Santa Fe. I've seen this one before. This one's pretty cool. That's a nice. That is badass, dude. Look at the little pallets. There we can look out the window of the cab, see? So you have pretty good visibility. Two trains running. Old F7. I had an F7 in my HO layout. The little microbus up there. It's kind of odd. I guess people camping, whatever. So in the right train, I mean, you have decent visibility. You just hang your head out the window like that. Now you can use this software in 2D too. Looking down there in the gulch. I guess that's a gulch. So it depends on the train. Now I can actually stand up if I want to too. See a little bit better. But what a cool touch to give you the ability to ride. Because think about it, like when you were modeling, if you're a train modeler like I was when you were a kid, right? You always imagine like being inside the train. At least I did, right? What it would be like to like be inside the train. Oh, this is cool. And see it from like eye level, you know, all the miniature stuff. This brings that desire to life. All right, this reminds me of Hotel California right there, for sure. It's a nice layout. So this is the magazine over here. Where is it? Oh. Very cool. I see what he did there. Email when new issues of Model Rolling Lines are made. Subscribe. Okay, cool. Available on Steam, Kia controllers, Great Northern Diesel, showing you different stuff. Cool. Oops. Canyon looks pretty cool here. Look at this. Give it a little speed. That's cool right there. Check that out. That's awesome. You got to see this in VR, man. It's incredible. It really is. All right, let's check out another layout. Oops. Main menu. Go to main menu. Okay, Santa Fe. Hammer Springs. Hanmer Springs. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, it's a tiny little thing. What? Is it N scale? I see. It's just a little vacation area. Interesting. Okay. Puzzle World. Okay. Another non-trained thingy. Interesting. Not quite sure of the point, but let's go over here. We're gonna main menu. Go back to main menu. Oops. Hollowed Cove. Whoa. Well, you are in. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Main menu. Back to main menu. Snow Globe Jam. Whoa. That's pretty cool. These are basically all three-dimensional snow globes. All right, Tick 6, thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. This is very cool. Just kind of, kind of interesting. All right, let's get to main menu. Go to main menu. Okay, and custom table. So we have a custom table. We can do oval, shelf, fork, mountain, port, figure 8, station, empty. Let's do mountain. So now, I guess this gives us a blueprint to start with, right? We've got our train rolling along here. Single track, it looks like. Single line. Coming through. This is like one of those prefab mountain layouts that you would buy. I remember looking at those online, like on eBay. Oh, that wasn't good. I want to put this right there. All right, so what we go to? Let's just go grab something to put on here. So let's go to here, and we're going to choose a structure. And what would go good there? Let's put something right there, and we're going to put a. I don't know. What do you think we should put there? Let's just see what we got here. No. Little house, maybe. Yeah, maybe a little house. Go over here. Doesn't have much of a backyard. No, let's see. Can we color this house? Why is this moving? All right, so let's see if we can color this house. Let's go over here to colors. And let's just see. Let's get like a... Oh, I know what I need the editing thing probably to color it, right? So you got to grab this thing and edit detail. And probably have to point out like this. Oops. Nope. I gotta figure out how to do that. I guess you can paint stuff. I'm not sure. Oh, we don't need that right now. Let's grab one of these. Let's go over here. Put that right there. Oops. I'm sure the pictures fall off the wall in that house. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Oh, I always like these. These are cool. Nope. So you could take one of these, kind of templates and build it to your liking, landscape it out or whatever. And I guess we can get like right in the middle of the table here if we want to like manipulate this stuff or change the colors or paint it or whatever. Have to get familiar with how to do that. You can see we're right up close in this train now. Wow, that Details. Let's check out the detail of a train. That's what I want to do. Go to trains. Let's just grab like this guy right here. Wow. It's pretty cool. Oh. Got to get better with the editing. All right, let's go back to, let's see, main menu, go to menu. Okay, I want to do custom table, but I want to do, go back, custom table. But I want to see what that looks like, because this is probably what I would do. So you could just add to this layout. Make the room larger, and then, you know, build as you like, right? Build as you like. Cup of coffee. Can't grab that. Nice. Okay, come on. Won't select it for some reason. Interesting. Not selecting it. There you go. Just go over here. This guy's dead in the water for some reason. Oh well. Alright, let's go back to the main menu. So far I'm liking it, man. I think it's pretty cool. Workshop layouts, quit the desktop, tutorials. I went through some of those. I probably have to go through them again. New game. Okay, fine. So workshop layouts. Let's just say empty. Okay, so these are layouts that you might be working on. Okay. I'm wondering if like multiple people can work on a layout. Let's go back to custom table. So that was that. The mountain. Port, figure 8. Let's just check out the figure 8. Pretty common when you're starting, you do your figure 8. Oops. That's not good. Get those coupled up. My first layout was a figure 8 layout. That's Let's run that baby full tilt. Alright, well, I could tell you that I give this 2 thumbs up for sure. If I had 3 thumbs, I would give it 3 thumbs up. For 20 bucks, this is a no-brainer. If you're into model trains and you got VR, even in 2D I think it's cool, but in VR it's exponentially cool. The G2 gives, I mean, it's very crisp and very clear. And very amazing. Just looking at the detail. That's wild. Alright, so I want to try one thing. Let me just slow this train. Oops, slow the train down. I want to add some cars to this. Let's see. Let's go to back. We'll go that, and then we're going to go that, and that, and that, and that, and that. And let's add one of these. Now I want to see if it goes right on the rails. Does it? Does it go right on the rails? No. So how do you get it on the rail? Not sure. They have one of those. Remember, you used to have one of those little pieces of track where you would run it over and it would automatically rail it? I don't know. Let's just see if I can back her up and see what happens. It's not going to work. I keep cloning these things. I only need one. I guess I should put it on a straight piece of track. Alright, so straight piece of track. What? For the life of me... Oh, I see what just happened. Whoa, it just keeps cloning them. Holy crap. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't need all these guys. Okay, so those look like they're all on there, so I should, let's see if I can just back these up. So I guess you got to find it so it looks like a block, and then you put it, and then it goes on the track. Let's just see if I can make that work again. I don't get how you put it on the track. I just don't get that. So that clones it. I don't get how you put it on the track. Oh. What did I just do there? Oh, I see. So see that little gray thing? So I'm holding the trigger button. That little gray thing comes out. Okay, there you go. There you go. Alright, well, we're figuring it out. Alright, pretty simple layout. But learning the ropes. Alright, let's see. Let's go to custom track. Huh? Miscellaneous. Show dynamic track info. To check into all that. Back. Well, that was... I tell you what, man, I think it's a really cool game. I think it's a really cool game. I could see myself spending a lot of time in this game, that's for sure. It's pretty awesome. Pardon me, guys. Alright, so that's Rolling Line. Again, it's been around for a while, a couple of years. It's from Gauge Punk is the developer. Get it on Steam, $20, I believe it is. Well worth the $20. Just a loads of fun in VR. I mean, it looks like it would be cool in 2D as well. But in VR, it's really, really cool. So I think we're going to keep this series going. I'm going to think about what kind of layout I want to do, and we'll start to do that, I think, for the next series. So, in any event, guys, I appreciate you dropping by today and checking out Rolling Line. It's an awesome game. Highly recommend it. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening.